What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Manny called and told us there was a surprise at his house. You already know, we got the vlog squad, Amin, Ariz. You know what it is? I know you always know what it is.
No.
he knows what it is. He just doesn't want to ruin the surprise, but that's okay. Oh man, I missed that. When was the last time I've been in the 48? It's been a while. It's been a while. What is that? No way. Oh yeah. Welcome to the Manny residence.
Don't rev it. Oh no, I'm just parking the car. Why was it too loud?
Oh, bro, you fucking that's gonna come out of the halal fall.
Oh, yo, my bad. Alright, ready?
No way! Holy fuck!
You motherfucker! You didn't know?
No way!
Yo, this guy's a fuck.
Talking about it. We were talking about it last time.
Yo, I already told three.
Yo, I told him to call in,
Guess who's coming too, eh?
Victor's coming.
Victor?
Yeah.
Sick.
Yeah.
Bro, I was just...
Gotta pay admin fee, dog. This is no Victor.
I wanted to
come.
Victor's the guy.
Did you tell Victor or no?
Crazy.
Bro, I was just on the phone with him.
Bro, I thought this. I'm tripped out because this whole time, like, to a couple of guys, yo, he's dropping a Cully guy. This is way sicker.
That's probably coming the next truck right behind it.
That's pretty nice. Congrats to this guy. Yo, rev this shit, bro. Hold up. Go rev this. Live seen it first. Oh my god. Rev time, bro. Oh man.
Is that loud enough or not?
Bro,
Guys, is that loud
Oh, I
enough?
know it's big. We're missing one thing though. We're fucking fling.
Oh my god, congratulations to Manny. Guys, I didn't know this car spits flames. Aventador S. There's only one other guy that has an Aventador S in the group, and that's Victor. But now that has changed today. This car is nastier than ever. Oh, who would have thought Manny an Aventador? Yo, Riz, I keep forgetting. It's the middle of November. It's not even snowing.
Oh, it's perfect,
And
man.
he bought a Aventador.
Yeah, that's the winter beater. That's what he said.
The color combo is Gallardo Spica. What is it? Gallardo Spica, some Italian stuff. Let me check. How do you pronounce that?
Bro, this is how you pronounce it.
Right here, right here.
Hello.
No, it's like Gallardo Spica, something like that.
Listen, just call it Pikachu.
Pikachu, eh? Victor!
I told you got a
Nice color then.
That's what I'm talking about. Alright, so we just left from Manny's house. Where are we
Look
headed
at
to
that
now?
view, guys. Look at that view.
Oh my god, that's
Two
sick.
Aventadors.
Two's better than one, right?
Yeah, 100%,
100.
man, 100%. Manny, congrats, man. Just picked up a brand new Aventador. This is amazing.
It's amazing, honestly. He's gonna love it. I think he's gonna love it more than the 580.
Oh,
sure.
100%.
Hey, did you hear that exhaust?
Forget the exhaust. Did you see that fire?
I know, but no. What all ties it together is the color.
Oh, man.
The color is beautiful.
See, Lamborghini.
You gotta look back. Look behind you. Look behind you.
Pardon?
Look behind you. Look behind you. Look at the camera.
Oh, what up? No, with me, the way I know Lamborghinis, I always remember like yellow Lamborghini.
Really?
I've always. Oh my god, that's my car, bro! What? the AMGs and the 550s,
Yeah.
why I would choose a 550 is because 550 is an all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm getting a little less power, but at
It's
the
the
end
stability.
at the end of the day, I raced against the E63 AMG
Yeah, we saw.
multiple
We
times.
saw.
And
Multiple times.
Yeah, he couldn't keep up.
Just let it go. You know you're the champ. Just let it go.
But to his defense, because he gave me his car to drive.
Okay.
I drove that thing, and I'll be honest, I pushed it just a little bit, and the car started fishtailing.
Oh, it's fishtail, eh?
So it's technically not his fault,
Yeah.
but at the end of the day,
In the last vlog, Hassan talked about his car, and it's actually naturally aspirated 6.3.
what?
Yeah, no, there's no turbos in that car.
Really?
That's why your car's. No, wait, do you have turbos? No, you don't have
What do you
turbos.
mean? I have bi-turbo.
Just straight linear power, but hey. And we're like the first ones here, but I think they're the first ones here. You have a mask? Oh. You do you even know what you want?
Pardon?
You know what you're getting?
Not a ticket.
Buy me shit now.
Yo, on your Instagram, you have no chill.
No tutus.
It has no chill on it. Guys, I heard somebody put up. That's a Beamer. What's up, bro? What's up? Alright, guys, we have the. Sounds like a crazy ass Beamer. And you guys know who it is. This is Hassan. Hassan, you want to start? Have the keys to both Lambos.
It was like a Batman Lambo.
You want this one, eh?
No, I want a Batman Lambo.
This is a Batman Lambo, it's just white.
No, but it needs to be black.
It needs to be black, eh?
Black.
Okay.
Black and black.
Like, what type of black? Like a matte black or a gloss black?
Like a gloss.
This is late that comes at the bottom.
Oh, no way!
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
I'll be honest with you, this is probably the reason I bought the car.
Yeah.
Like dead ass, this is probably the main reason why. 'Cause it's just so cool, right?
Yeah. This is 20 version, right?
Pardon?
2020?
Yeah, 2020,
Yeah.
One of 222.
So like what they did was it's a 2020.
One of 222, yeah, yeah.
That's the engine's gold as well, right?
Oh, wow. Okay.
Browns, right? They did a little bit of exhaust modifications. It's 620. The regular 602 horsepower. I think
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is 620.
Okay, sick.
So let me tell you a quick walk down on this car. It's freaking crazy. We have the Ventador E63. Sounds crazy, E63. We have the 488, 458, 570 R8, DTS E63, and Hellcat. I felt that in my chest.